Mia's first day at Brightstone Elementary. The sun rises over a pastel-colored neighborhood. Trees sway gently, birds whistle cheerful tunes, and the world seems ready for something new. In the little town of Brightstone, where the clouds looked like marshmallows and the crosswalk lights smiled at you, lived Mia, a girl with big curious eyes and an even bigger case of first-day jitters. Mia's worries. Mia, holding her shiny new backpack with rainbow zippers, peeks out from behind the curtain. What if I get lost? What if nobody talks to me? What if the teacher calls on me and I don't know the answer? Her older brother Ethan kneels down beside her. What if you have fun? What if you make a new friend? What if today is the start of something amazing? Mia isn't sure, but she smiles a little. The sidewalks seem extra long today. As they pass the neighbor's garden, Mrs. Green, a kindly old lady with a flower hat, waves. Remember, Mia, she says, the bravest thing you can do is take the first step. Mia takes a deep breath. Okay, one step at a time. The hallways sparkle with color. Lockers are painted like candy stripes. Posters dance gently on the walls, as if waving hello. Mia spots a girl about her age struggling with the straps of her backpack. Without thinking, Mia helps her untangle them. Thanks, the girl says, brushing her hair back. I'm Lily. First day too? Mia nods. Yeah. They laugh, the knot of fear in Mia's tummy loosening just a little. In class, something magical happens. Not the fairy tale kind, but the real-life kind. Every time someone tries something new, asking a question, reading aloud, raising a hand, a little paper star from the ceiling flutters down and lands on their desk. When Mia raises her hand to answer a question, even though her voice trembles, a star floats down and lands right in front of her. The class claps softly. Mia realizes it's not about knowing everything, it's about trying. The school bell rings. Mia and Lily walk home together, their paper stars tucked safely in their pockets. And so Mia learned that being brave doesn't mean never feeling scared. It means taking that first step, finding something good, and letting your courage shine, like a star in your very own sky. Every new beginning starts with one brave step.